In this episode, we discuss the question of the interoperability and the scalability of the system, initial design versus future evolution of the application. We strongly advise to be very careful on this point. In fact, we frequently see that the functional requirements of projects is subject to changes between the initial analysis of the needs and the phases of the project implementation, all the way through commissioning. It's therefore important to ensure that the platform you choose will be able to absorb these drifts without requiring frequent redesign and redevelopment of the application. The following criteria are certainly part of the key points to be considered: opening to third-party systems, software development kit, and scalability of the platform. Does the platform have open interfaces for exchanging data with other systems? We're talking here about the following solutions: simple read-write transactions with different types of database, dynamic exchanges of real-time data or alarms via web services or OPC, communication with IoT-type equipment, allowing you to easily instrument using low-cost data interfaces such as LP1. Non-standard drivers are often best managed through a development kit. Investigate whether the platform offers software development kits and in what language it should be developed. These kits generally allow you to relocate processes to interface with third-party non-standard or even old systems that cannot be easily maintained. It's a bit like the Swiss knife that will allow you to solve non-standard issues. Can the number of I/O tags used easily evolve without constraints? It must be possible to start with a basic application and to evolve along with needs of expanding the I/O without technical constraints. Even if most of the time prices are based according to the number of tags, the platform should remain the same and not require expensive redevelopment. The system must offer in each I/O range a margin in its calculation of number of tags, in order to avoid delays in each phase of project implementation and commissioning on site. Any internal tags, which are not connected to devices, must not be counted in the I/O limitations. If not, you risk the pain of seeing the cost of the application to explode during development of the project. Only points from external sources should be taken into account. Thank you for being with us today. Find the full article of this episode on our blog. We'll discuss in episode 3 the question of the technical support.